In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to see order history on Shop app. To get started, open the Shop app on your phone. If you haven't signed in yet, go ahead and log into your account first. This is important because your order history is connected to the account you use for your purchases, so you'll need to be in the right account to view everything correctly. Once you're inside the app, look for either the Home tab or the Orders tab. The exact layout can vary a little depending on your version of the app, so don't worry if your screen looks slightly different. If you see an Orders tab, that will usually take you directly to the section you need. If not, start from the Home tab and look for your order activity there. Next, scroll until you find the Orders section. This area shows your recent purchases and is the main place where you can review your order history. If you've placed multiple orders, you may see a list of them here, usually organized so you can quickly spot the most recent ones first. Take a moment to scan through the list and find the specific order you want to check. When you tap on any order, you'll open a more detailed view. This is where the Shop app gives you a clear breakdown of that purchase. You can check the current order status, which helps you understand whether the item is still being processed, has shipped, or has already been delivered. You'll also be able to view tracking information if it's available. This is especially useful if you're waiting on a package and want to follow its progress. In many cases, you can also see the items you purchased, which helps confirm exactly what was included in that order. Depending on the order and the merchant, you may also see delivery updates. These updates can give you a better idea of timing and package movement. If a receipt is available, that may appear in the order details as well, which can be helpful if you need a record of the purchase for returns, expense tracking, or personal reference. If you don't immediately see an order you're expecting, make sure you're signed into the same account used when the order was placed. That's a common reason an order history might seem incomplete. And that's all it takes to see your order history on the Shop app. Once you know where to look, it's quick and easy to check past purchases, track deliveries, and review order details whenever you need them.